Today I'm going to share this super simple fall makeup look which can be done in under 15 minutes. It is a neutral look that will go with most of your fall outfits. It can be created using minimal products. So let's get started. Start with a clean face and tie your hair away from your face. I have pre-moisturized my face and my skin feels hydrated at this point. It is important to start with the moisturized face for your products to blend really nicely. I don't like dry face in fall season, so I'm going for Chanel Les Beiges foundation. I'm taking a little bit and I will build it as needed. I'm going to go in with my Sigma flat top foundation brush and apply foundation all over my face. This foundation is extremely hydrating and it leaves the skin looking and feeling glowy. That is why this foundation is one of my favorites. Look at that glow. It looks so good. I'm taking a little more foundation to go over my forehead. And whatever is left, I'm gonna apply that to my neck. My personal preference is glowy foundation. You can choose a foundation of your choice if you don't like the glow. For the concealer, I'm going in with my Too Faced concealer in the shade Light Beige. I have a love and hate kind of relationship with this concealer. Sometimes I find it a little bit too thick and dry for my preference, but other times it works nicely for me. So I'm still trying to find a concealer that is more as per my preference, but this is also a good one. It has a powerful staying property that I really like. I'm going to apply it on the areas that need brightening on my face. Normally it is under my eyes, on my upper lips and around the mouth. I'm going in with a small brush and I'm blending the concealer out. It definitely has brightened my under eyes, but as you can see, the layer is quite thick. And I like to work with thin layers. So that is the reason it doesn't make to my top favorite concealers. Here, I'm simply switching to a bigger brush for blending the rest of the concealer. It's just a simple process, nothing special, just blending the concealer. Now, to set under the eyes, I'm going to use Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Honey. This is the first time I'm using it. I just ordered it online and from the first look, it looks too yellow to me. I'm not sure if it will be a good match for my skin tone. Anyway, let's go ahead and apply it. I have taken a little powder on a brush and gently I'm applying it under my eyes. This is definitely a little bit too yellow for me. I am a MAC NC25 for reference. I think I might need to return this powder. I am not seeing a brightening effect that I expected out of it. Before I powder rest of my face, I'm going to apply my cream blush. This one is from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Mauve Marble. I am avoiding any prominent pinks or oranges so that the look can be kept on a neutral side. I'm taking the blush on a brush and I'm going to place it on the apples of my cheeks. Blush placement can be done in many ways. You can apply it however you like. I like to apply it slightly outwards for a subtle blush. Makeup looks for fall are incomplete without bronzing. I'm taking bronzer from Fenty Beauty. Truffle is my shade in this bronzer. Again, I'm using the same brush. I'm placing the bronzer on the outer perimeter of my face. You can see the effect of adding bronzer. The side with the bronzer looks warm and lifted compared to the other side. Also, don't forget to bronze your forehead. People with smaller forehead can avoid this step. Adding bronzer to your face will give a warmth to the complexion and make it look sun-kissed. Now I'm taking a large fluffy brush and I'm going to apply powder all over my face. As I said earlier, I will be using minimal products for this look. So I'm going to use my highlighter as my eyeshadow. This highlighter is Champagne Pop from Smashbox. I'm placing the color on my eyelids and the inner corner of my eyes. Going in with my dry bronzer from Hoola. I'm going to place it on the outer corner of my eyes. As I mentioned, I'm multi-using the products for this look. Again, I'm going over the outer corner one more time to really darken the color. I'm gonna repeat the process until I get my desired color. I'm applying the same color under my lower eyelid as well. For mascara, I'm going to use my fall favorite Legendary Lashes by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to apply 2 coats of this mascara to my eyes for a dense look. This mascara is really one of my favorites. I especially love it for fall or wintertime looks. The eyes are looking so beautiful at this point. But my blush has faded a bit, so I'm going in with blush one more time. This one is again mauve shade from the same brand, Sugar Cosmetics. I'm just going to slightly freshen up my blush. Lip contour pencils from Huda Beauty is a great lip product. It is in a twist open style, so you don't need to worry about sharpening it every time. I'm going to outline my lips with it. And I'm also going to fill my lips with the same pencil. At this point, it already is giving a complete look. You can apply a gloss over your lips and can be done. But I'm not going to use gloss, so I'm going to add a little bit of NARS Bad Guy on top of it. This is one of my favorite lip combinations. Lastly, to add highlights to my face, I'm again going in with the same highlighter on the high points of my face. The look is complete now. I think this is a beautiful look for fall. You can add lip gloss for nighttime vibe and leave the matte lipstick for the daytime. It is a versatile look that you can do with many outfits. You can do this makeup with multiple outfits for multiple occasions and it's gonna suit most of them. I will see you in my next one. Take care and bye bye.